Hi everybody, I'm Rick, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Serviform RotaNeXt. With hundreds of installations worldwide, Serviform is the innovator of the latest rule processing technology. Serviform created the first multiple diameter rule bender for rotary dies in 2012, the RotaNeXt Plus. Then we increased performance by making the bending process 30% faster with the introduction of RotaNeXt in 2016. The RotaNeXt is the latest and most comprehensive processor that can handle all types of curved and straight rule, as well as notched and no-notched rule. RotaNeXt can also handle all inside diameters of 6.7 inch to 31.5 inch with superb accuracy of length and bending. By using a perfectly engineered, smaller bending head, RotaNeXt can produce bent pieces that are difficult to obtain with any other machine on the market. Utilizing motorized cartridges, RotaNeXt bridge width and depth is fully programmable. With optional cartridges, it is also capable of making cut crease and perf rule with controlled depth and width. If you can program it, RotaNeXt can make it for you. RotaNeXt is also able to make pieces with a miter on both ends. If there's a need to identify individual pieces of rule, there is also an option for scribing with RotaNeXt. If eval dies are part of your production, Serviform RotaNeXt has been punching gate holes for years. Should you need to process laser crease rule, RotaNeXt can handle 6-on-4 as well as 8-on-4 laser crease. Thank you for your attention. Please see serviform.com for more information. Follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn.